How to open it? Open the door. Hello guys, magandang araw. Nakalimutan ko palang i-present sa inyo itong video na to. It should be on the first video but room reveal tayo. This is our room. So ito guys, welcome tayo dito. So kaya hindi ko na nakalimutan ko. Tsaka alam mo yan, bago tayong vlogger. So ayun, welcome to our room. This is our room guys. So maliit lang siya. Hello guys. So ayun guys, bagong gising. Avenger Day ngayon. So nagbihis na ako for Spider-Man. So, dito kami sa lobby ng barko. And then nasa gitna na kami ng Mexico and US. Makakita ng barko. Okay guys. And my son here. Say good morning.
We're gonna post.
Ready. Say hi.
Say hi.
Yeah, Princess, say hi. So, ayan si Madam Anne. Yung wifi, tanong pa kasi internet niya kasi wala. So, kakain kami ng breakfast. Saan ba tayo kakain ng breakfast ngayon? Dito ba? Dito ba tayo? Luminaire? So, Avengers of the Sea, even though that it's Disney. So, yung theme nila dito sa Disney Cruise is Avengers. So, hi! Hello, Marvel Day at the Sea. Ano siya to? Ano, ay, free lahat dito makain. Diyan ba tayo makakain? Tignan mo sa sa app mo. Meron siya sa app eh.
Wala.
Okay, check muna namin yung app namin. So then guys, see you later sa mga natin mamaya. So then guys, masarap yung nila. And then, nag-request kami.
Ay, mas marami po dito.
Nakakal naman maghintay.
100 minutes pa lang kami dito.
Balik na, mas marami doon.
Baka balasan ng kape dito, pre.
Sinday?
Uy, doon na lang kayo. Dungtong.
Akala ko dito na.
Kumain na ba kayo? Kumain na kayo, Vice?
Oo, sa baba.
Saan ang baba?
Sa kanan.
Sa taas yun. Anong baba? After ito.
Ito lahat ay kasi naka-off-out.
So, ayun. So, breakfast tayo. Ay, mix na rin.
Wala sinday. Bakit? Tingnan mo naman ko to. Ano kung di magkasiksi, kahanap mo naman.
Hahanap na nakapam si nanay.
Mayroon naman kanina isang. So dito na ako eh. Sa taas. Ano sabi ko, kakain mo na ako, boss.
Sabi boss? Boss talaga? So, ayun guys. Kain tayo. Masarap yung ano nila. Noah,
Take picture there.
it's a relaxing day. Yeah, it's a relaxing day. Do you have to swim?
Babadaan mo naman doon ng kawelo na malamig na may ice.
Do that. You almost drowned in the Florida.
Pero ibabad mo naman.
Remember that one you almost drowned because you jumped without a life jacket? I don't remember it. Noah, you know how to swim?
Kasi nani ba?
You don't know how to swim?
Ang ginagawa ko yan sa mga naglalagay. Yung bata ko nila. Sa ospital ka nun din kung ano ka, di ba?
What's your position? Relaxing day? Yeah, relaxing day. Say to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi.
Ganyan ginagawa ko kay Noah.
Say hi.
Ganyan ginagawa ko kay Noah ng natin nila.
Okay. So, yun guys, we're in the Disney Cruise. We're in the middle of the sea.
Ay, hindi na yung pwede.
May dining.
Mayroon sa Kasi yung bricks ba, yung massage lang kung inuubo, nilalanat. Ganyan yun.
Paano mo lalaman?
Nakulang na yung mga nalasya kung sabi natin. Hinahatid. Ganyan ko lang nagkakalap ko.
So, ayun guys, this is the day 2. Day 2 in Disney Cruise. Ayan, so we're in the middle of the sea. Sa gitna ng Mexico, Gulf of Mexico. Pero pinalitan ni Trump ng Gulf of America. Ayan. Sige kuya, nice to meet you. So may mga Pilipino na mga ano tayo dito guys. Ayan. Shout out. Shout out kuya. Ayan. Mga nagtatrabaho ng mga kababayan natin. Ayan po. Nagbablog. Ha? Ayun. So, yan, dito muna ako. Magala-gala muna ako dito guys. So, andito tayo ngayon. Gagala natin. So, this is day 2. Ayan. So, may playground, may basketball court dito. Ay. Kabayan.
Oo.
Ay, hello, magandang araw po. Saan ka sa atin, kuya?
India.
Ay, India. How about you? Kabayan.
Zamboanga, Sibugay.
Sibugay. Mayong Buntag. Cotabato. Nice to meet you. Yes. Oh. Laglaag rami diri. Dagan may Pilipino diri.
Dagan, sir.
Oh, dagan. Enjoy. Yeah. Nice ship. Alright, so we are here. Yan guys.
Nagbo-vlog ka, sir. Ano yung Facebook page mo, sir?
Wala pa, magbago pa lang ako pero konti-konti lang. Ayan. Sige. Sa susunod, baka sisikat ba, di ba?
Pero
Malay
ano
mo.
yung Facebook page?
Alright, day 2 guys. So, ito-swim muna yung mga bata. Ayan, dito sa gitna for kids. And yung mga adult na sa gilid. So, kuha muna tayo ng maghanap tayo ng libre. Ayun, kasi may mga libre pagkain dito, libreng ice cream. Ito yung kagandahan. So, dito yung mga friends namin. So, ayan, Wakanda. Box namin. Si Mayo.
Close na sila.
Ayan.
Diba?
Ano yung mayroon?
Ice cream tayo na. Bumibili ng coffee. Ice cream. Absolutely.
Maghanap kami ng free food. So, tara, let's go! Tara na!
Come on, let's go get the ice cream.
Sige, pre. Dagdagan ko na lang. Tsaka chicken tender. Can you add more of this one also? Chicken tender? Yes, sir. Yeah, for the kids, yeah.
All right, you all continue without me. I'll be back in a few minutes.
You got it.
Avengers Training Initiative. It is remarkably difficult to get an invitation.
Arnim Zola.
He's back up.
Back when Rogers originally took down Hydra, he was their evil genius.
That was when he had a body. Now it's just this.
A scene from the Matrix.
Exactly. Agent Romanoff. It's been too long, hasn't it?
No, actually, it hasn't been long enough. What do you want?
Control of your technology, your ships, your weapons, your information database.
Start to make sure.
That is good news.
All right, recruits. Looks like you got a little bit more excitement than what you signed up for today. needed to see.
You come together as a team, rise to the challenge. And that you have exactly what it takes to be a hero. Anything else, Katie?
No snow. So alright guys, so we're gonna go to Rapunzel tables. Ayan. So we are in the middle of the sea. Let's go. Say hi. Adi! Say hi.
Dali, ako Kasi mo na tayo, kani ako Kani ako Imuha ko asa.
Guys. Karin, say hi. So yun guys, dinner time. So we'll be eating, I don't know, fish. And then so together with our friends on the other table, sila. Kaya namin isang friend namin. So, nakakahilo. Sorry. Nakakahilo kasi. So, you're gonna go on the other side, Yana. And so... Ha? So... ravioli. I don't know what's ravioli. Parang siyang pasta. Pero, masarap. Number niya?
Marunong ako muna number siya.
Hindi. Sa vlog ko nga ito, di ba? Sana po kami sa akin mag-vlog. So, try natin mag-vlog. This is the first night dito sa Disney Cruise. So, tip lang, be on time para di malate kasi may naka-reserve naman na table bawat isa sa inyo, but still, para makapag-order kayo ng mas maaga. And then, bawat table, may naka-assign din na waiter sa inyo. So, tip din, magdala kayo ng almost like $5 each tip, each family, so that you can give someone on the person that you will be serving you. Yun. So, ayun. Kain muna kami. So, alright guys, meron naman yung salad na in-order ko. One of the best seller dami ng salad is this one. I don't know. Ano ang pangalan mo, no? Nakalimutan ko ng pangalan. Anyway. Ayan. So anyway, let's try, no? Pipicture na images ko.
Happy birthday, Lonnie. Look, everybody.
Anyway, alright guys, let's try kung anong lasa. Then, para lang siyang maliit, then maliit na repolyo, something, ayun, no? Nasiset, may ano lang siya. May ngayon, nagsushow kasi sila. But, yeah, masarap. Okay lang. Saan yung rinse ko?
here
Good siya, masarap. Maingay sila. Ayun, kasi may ginagawa sila yun, guys.
No. All right. Let's try this again. Hey, we can hear hands. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear everyone. Happy birthday to
So, let's try din to, guys. Ano to? Anong pangalan to? Ano bang may pangalan nito?
Lettuce salad.
Ha? Lettuce salad? Lettuce salad to. Hindi ko alam kung anyway. Ha? Ganon? Anyway. May mga berries lang naman siya. Ayan. Ito yung fine dining nila dito sa Disney Cruise. Tikim-tikim lang. Pero at least, ano naman, libre naman lahat. So, most of the time na mga natanungan ko with regards the experience, so it's better daw ang Disney Cruise kasi hindi ka na mag-hotel, free food, andito lahat na activities sa barko. Pag nasa, hindi ko pa na kasi na-try ang Disneyland, so maybe next year, kasi uwi pa kami, and mag-iipon muna, para may panggala na naman. Hindi ko alam ano to. Pero parang siyang, yung struktura niya yung parang dabong sa, ano nang tawag nito ng bamboo something niya, bamboo shoot. Rabong sa Ilocano, dabong sa Bisaya, na dito tawag sa Tagalog. They just put carrots, at saka carrots, at saka pipino. Yun lang. Anyway. Sige.
Asan ba sila?
Mamaya ulit. Ayan. So, Pogi. May picture with the Prince. Say hi to my vlog. So,
Hi, vlog.
hi vlog. So this is the Prince here.
This is Chris.
Right.
You stole that crown, man. I'm excited.
Yes, I did steal the crown. Yes, I did return the crown. It's back at the castle. Matt was
Alright.
guarding it. He's really good at his job. He made him captain of the guard.
Yep. All right. Thank
The
you,
horse.
man.
Nice to meet you too.
All right. Thank you. Yun. Nahilo tuloy ako sa English niya. Anyway. So next na titikman natin is yung steak nila. I ordered well done but ito yung binigay. But still okay na rin to. Ayan. With the bread, carrots, and broccoli. Oh, thank you. So, ayun guys, nag-order ako ng ramen. Unlimited food naman dito. Huwag kayo mag-alala, lang ang babayaran. Anyway, ayun. So, this is a fufu ramen. Ayan. And we will try all the foods that they will be given to us. And if they give us more, or I can order some. Yes sir, please. Thank you. Alright, thank you very much. Madaming Pilipino ang nagtatrabaho sa mga cruise. So marami akong nakilala from Cebu, more on Laguna. Matagal na rin yung iba dito nagtatanong ko sa ibang mga Pilipino. Anyways, so let's try everything. Thank you for watching sa mga videos ko. And hopefully, may mga konti akong mga tips lang mamaya sa mga videos na gagawin ko. And wag pagpakabusog kayo. Yan. Before kayo pumunta ng barko, ng cruise ship, mag-diet kayo. Kasi nandito lahat ng pagkain. Ayun guys, maya naman ulit. Titikman ko muna to. Ito na lang. So let's try this one. Medium rare siya, but it works. Let's try. Okay lang. What is it? So ayun, try naman natin itong dessert nila. Ayan, buong pangalan. Napakaliit. Anyway, lahat naman masarap except except di ko gusto yung lasa ng ramen nila. Masyado siyang kasi tofu, di ko bet on tofu. Ano mo? Ayan, nag-record na.
Okay, so hi guys, I'm here with my friends. Sit in your chair. So here, so we're eating mac and cheese and salmon. So this is my friend Ellie. Audrey, say hi. Okay, so we're in the Disney cruise right now, and this is my sister, my mom, and this is my friend. Yeah, look what you're sitting on. Ellie. Okay, so actual look. Okay. And this girl's mom. Wow, it looks so pretty. Tita Christine, say hi. Tito Ronnie, say hi. I'll just say hi again. Oh, okay. Take a dig in my nose. Stop, action. Don't do that. What did you do? Say hi. Papa, say hi. No, not yet. Actually, guys, let me end the video like in a couple minutes and
We go!
bye. Pray us.
Umalanton ba tayo?
Umiyak kayo at tayo gumastos dito.
Cheese! Oy, Eddie!